All right, it is 6 o'clock and we are about to get this workout in. And we're going to shower and then we're going to head to work. We have a full day of meetings, back-to-back meetings, getting some stuff done, and to have a late in the afternoon meeting too. So looks like I'll be in traffic getting home, but it'll all be worth it because I studied this morning, I worked out, I got 2 of my goals complete. When I get home, I'm going to shower, I am going to study for 2 more hours, and I'm going to eat dinner, and I'm going to go to bed so I can do it again. So let's go. All right, so we have arrived at HotWorks, which is a 24-hour infrared fitness studio where you can actually sweat anywhere. So you're in a sauna as you're working out, and the max temperature in the sauna that you can go up to is 125 degrees. I think on this specific day, I was on 110 or 115 degrees. I typically enjoy the 125, but sometimes that's just not feasible for me. So my first workout is row, which I really enjoy. I really want to tone my arms as well as my thighs and legs. And this is just a great, in my opinion, workout because I'm working my arms as well as my legs and my abs. So the workouts at HotWorks typically last about 15 minutes for cycling in row. However, they do have several other workouts that you can select. I've tried most of the workouts that they have. Some 30-minute workouts include hot bar, hot buns, hot bands, hot stretch, which is just 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes of stretching. Hot core is really focusing on your abs, hips, and lower back. Hot buns is focusing on your glutes. So that's probably a favorite for most of the women that actually goes to this gym. As well as hot bands is really total body resistant band workouts. I enjoy that one as well. Of the 15-minute workouts, I definitely enjoy Hot Cycle and Hot Thunder, which is the row. I recently tried out Hot Blast and it's not bad. It really focuses on your strength, endurance, and cardio hit for your total body. So instead of the normal cycle where you're going in intervals, with this one you're kind of doing some ab work as well, and then you're using a lever to increase your speed for a cycle for you to kind of have like you're working against a pulley or a band to kind of increase your endurance. It was not bad at all. girlfriends introduced that how it works to me, and as a birthday present last year, she actually paid for my membership fee. So I love my friend Jess for that. Shout out to Jess. But it's typically $59 a month with unlimited access, unlimited sessions, and then you also have guest privileges. So when my friend Jess comes to visit me, she can also go to the gym with me. My boyfriend sometimes goes with me if he wants to work out in the sauna. So I really think it's a pretty cool thing. I didn't know that this actually existed until my friend told me about it. And then I was sharing it with my doctor, and he thought it was a good idea for me to continue it because I'm really seeing a lot of great improvement with my overall health, which is what I'm looking for. What you'll see here is that each sauna has a TV in each room, and that's where you're basically following instruction from a virtual instructor. So they're actually showing you the workouts that you're doing, so it doesn't make it seem like you're alone in the workout. You actually have someone motivating you to complete the 15 minutes or the 30 or the 45 minutes. And in some of the Pilates, the hot stretch, the hot bands, the hot bar, it really focuses on exercises that are like in static positions and kind of focusing on your range of motion. So as you get older, that changes. All right, so we finished a 30-minute workout, 15 minutes rowing, 15 minutes cycling. I'm sweating. I'm looking forward to the afterburn to see how many calories burnt. I'm going to stretch for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for the day. A cool feature that HotWorks has for its members is actually a burn off app that kind of shows you how many calories you burn before your workout and the calories that you burn after your workout. It's the end of the workday. It's almost 4 o'clock. I am on the road headed home. I had a couple meetings canceled today. So I left work a little early so I could try to beat traffic to get home. I'm so glad to be going home. I am tired. About to go home, feed the pets, take a shower, wash my face, eat, and then knock out this last round of studying. Be in bed by 9:30, and we're gonna get up tomorrow and do it all over again. So that's all I can say. We got 90 more days of this routine. 90 days until the goal is accomplished.